Okay, when we learn about decision making before, we have if else statement. So in F, we can create a default condition where if the all the condition is not met or any error that we don't want, we can just use else statement to print out a default condition. But somehow this is not enough. So let's say we go back to the code that we create before, which take the mark from the user and translate it into the grade for them. So when we run this code, so let's say we enter we enter it like say 90. So what happened? It break the program. So we don't want our program to always break, because when the program break, this is not good for user, because you need to rerun again, and every time the user make this mistake, it will break the program. So this is not convenient and it's not good. And even the else function is cannot handle this one. This is because, like say, you can see up here, because the input only can handle numbers from user. So how we are dealing with this? Here we come. We're going to learn a topic about try except. So try except is where we want to specifically mention if if any error is occur in our program, we tell the program how they are going to behave or how they are going to handle the error. So let's say when we are try except, so we start the program with try and then quotation mark. So because we add the try except after we complete the program, so we just select all the program and you just click select them all and press tab. So they will tab them, all of them. So all of this program, all of this code is under try function block. So the program will in default try to run this code first, but when an error occur in between of our program, so that is where we use except. This is where except. So except, you need to mention what kind of error the program try to handle. So let's say here, up here, the program cannot handle any string value or any other input other than a number. So here it is called value error. So it means like the program cannot handle that specific value because it has a different type of data type. So when this is occur, so the program will run except code, except block, except statement block. So except when the value error occur, so how we're going to handle it? So let's say we just print a string input error. So it shows to the user that they input wrong input to the program. So here we can see that if we input anything, a string, it doesn't break the program. Instead, how the program we handle is it going to display string input error. So, but in a real program, later on we will learn about loop. So when the error occur, we still loop the program and we can still run again and again. So it will not occur like before where you come up with a error code and you need to fix it. So now even the error is occurring right now, the program is not crash because it handled it correctly. We have any other like condition. We have a lot of other condition for except. So you can see the condition in the lecture note. Like here is value error. So let's say you are doing calculator and you are dividing by 0. So there is a zero division error. So you also can use it. So when the program doing a number divide by 0, and there will be an error there, but it can handle it because we already mentioned it is except zero division error. So you can check out all this error except error in the lecture note. So this will make your program is more robust, and every type of input from user is manageable. So this is what you want in the program. It's robust and not easily break.